Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Singh and my branch is Information Science and Engineering. Today we will going to discuss about introduction to chi-square distribution. The chi-square distribution is a probability distribution that arises in statistics and it's widely used in hypothesis testing and confidence interval construction. It is a special case of a gamma distribution and has application in various fields such as biology, finance and physics. And next we will move to priorities of chi-square distribution. The chi-square distribution is a non-negative and right squared. So the expected value of chi-square random variable is equal to its degree of freedom. As the degree of freedom increases, the shape of chi-square distribution becomes more symmetrical. Degrees of freedom in a chi-square distribution. Degrees of freedom in a chi-square distribution represent the number of independent variables in the calculation. The degrees of freedom determine the shape and the spread of a chi-square distribution. In hypothesis testing, the degrees of freedom play a crucial role in determining the critical values for rejection regions. Application of chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution is commonly used in hypothesis testing, such as testing for independence in contingency table. It is also used in goodness of fit test to compare observed and expected frequency. Chi-square distribution is a fundamental in various fields like biology, finance and social science. Chi-square test for independence. The chi-square test for independence is used to determine whether two categorical variables are independent of each other. It compares the observed frequency with the expected frequency under the null hypothesis. The test statistics follows a chi-square distribution while R-1, C-1 degree of freedom, where R and C are the number of rows in the column of contingency table, as you can see in the diagram. Next we will move to chi-square goodness of fit. The chi-square goodness of fit is used to determine whether an observed frequency distribution fit a theoretical distribution. It compares observed frequency with expected frequency based on a specific distribution. The test tacticals follows a chi-square distribution with k-1 degree of freedom, where k is the number of categories of group. Relationship between chi-square distribution and normal distribution. As the degree of freedom in a chi-square distribution increases, it approaches a normal distribution. For a large degree of freedom, the chi-square distribution approximates a normal distribution due to central limit theorem. The relationship is useful in approximating probabilities and critical values in statistical analysis. Confidence interval in chi-square distribution. Confidence interval can be constructed using chi-square distribution for estimating unknown parameters. The confidence interval provides a range of values within which the true parameter is likely to fall. The width of the confidence interval is influenced by the interval level of confidence and the degree of freedom. Next we will move to chi-square distribution of contingency table. Chi-square tests are commonly used in analyzing contingency table to determine relationships between categorical variables. The test helps to assess whether there is a significant association between the variables. The chi-square statistics is calculated based on the difference between observed and expected frequency in the table. Limitation of chi-square distribution. Chi-square tests are sensitive to sample size, and sample space size can lead to unreliable result. The test assumes that the observations are independent and random sampled, which may not always hold true. Chi-square tests are not suitable for continuous data or variables with more than two categories. Extension and variants of chi-square distribution. There are various extensions and variants of chi-square distribution, such as normal central chi-square distribution. The non-central chi-square distribution is used in the situation where the null hypothesis is not true. Other variants include the scale chi-square distribution and generalized chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution in model evaluation. Chi-square tests are used in model evaluation to assess the goodness of fit of statistical models. The test help to determine whether the model adequately represents the observed data. Deviance statistics based on the chi-square distribution are commonly used in model comparison and selection. So here is our conclusion. The chi-square distribution is a fundamental tool in statistical analysis for hypothesis testing. and model evaluation. Understanding the properties and application of chi-square distribution is essential for conducting valid statistical analysis. By applying the chi-square distribution approximately, researchers and analysts can draw meaningful conclusions from their data. Conclusion from chi-square. So conclusion from chi-square test: when the test is h of 0, we are calculating the test statistics. By comparing a x-square distribution, we obtained the p-value of 0.020 and rejected the null hypothesis. Thus, we find the relative frequency of tumors and are different in the two populations. Furthermore, we found that P of T and P of C. Therefore, we are able to conclude that Avidex appear in the increase that cancer rate is mice. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video.